Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, grew up in poverty on a small farm in Sweden. Because of his dyslexia, he had a really hard time in school. His father told him that he would never make anything of himself. But even though he had difficulty reading, that didn't stop him to dream of becoming a successful man. He became determined to prove to himself that there isn't anything he couldn't accomplish with hard work. When he was a child, he knew that he wanted to have his own business and began selling matches when he was only 5 years old. He would buy them very cheaply in bulk and then sell them individually at a low price and still made a good profit. When he was just 10 years old, he would hop on his bike and ride around the neighborhood selling Christmas decorations, seeds, pens, and pencils. At the age of 17, his father gave him some money because he was actually doing well in school despite being dyslexic. But Ingvar dropped out of high school and used the money to start his new business, IKEA. At the beginning, IKEA sold watches, pens, wallets, and other products with low prices and began using milk trucks to deliver the goods to the customers. In 1950, IKEA began selling furniture, pieces that were made by local manufacturers. And because his furniture was getting very positive response, he soon decided to stop selling other products and only focus on furniture. Ingvar always wanted people to be able to buy beautiful furniture with good quality at an affordable price, and this desire became his mission. But because of the low prices, the furniture competition became angry. But instead of backing down, Ingvar made a decision to change the way of making furniture. Instead of selling furniture that was already assembled, he decided to pack the furniture flat and introduced the do-it-yourself concept. This innovation made IKEA furniture even more affordable. Second, it meant that IKEA stores could keep more furniture in stock, and it made IKEA furniture easier and cheaper to transport. This has been one of the key driving forces behind IKEA's incredible success. Over the next decades, IKEA began expanding worldwide. Today, there are more than 400 stores in 52 countries. So the poor 5-year-old farm boy who sold matches to make money built an empire and became one of the richest men in the world. So remember, don't waste your time waiting for the perfect moment. Even when the odds are against you, you have the power to create something beautiful. So, what's your story?